How do I refinance my house? Did you know that in 2023, over 2.5 million homeowners refinance their mortgages? Or that the average homeowner can save thousands of dollars annually by refinancing? These staggering statistics highlight the importance of understanding the refinancing process. Refinancing involves replacing your existing mortgage with a new one, often with the goal of securing a lower interest rate, extending the loan term, or accessing equity in your home. While it can be a beneficial financial strategy, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully. The primary reasons for refinancing often revolve around lowering monthly payments or reducing the overall interest paid over the life of the loan. If interest rates have dropped significantly since you initially took out your mortgage, refinancing can result in substantial savings. Additionally, extending the loan term can lower monthly payments, providing temporary financial relief. However, refinancing is not without its costs. Closing costs, including appraisal fees, application fees, and title insurance premiums, can offset the initial savings. It's crucial to calculate the break-even point, the time it takes for the savings from the lower interest rate to offset the closing costs. Another common reason for refinancing is to access equity in your home. A cash-out refinance allows you to borrow against the equity you've built up in your property. This can be used for various purposes, such as home improvements, debt consolidation, or even funding a major purchase. When considering refinancing, it's essential to assess your financial situation and long-term goals. Factors such as your credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio will influence your eligibility for refinancing and the interest rate you'll receive. The refinancing process typically involves several steps. Research and compare lenders. Start by comparing rates and fees from different lenders. Online mortgage calculators can help you estimate potential savings. Gather documentation. Prepare necessary documents, including proof of income, tax returns, and identification. Apply for a refinancing loan. Submit your application to the chosen lender. Underwriting process. The lender will review your application and financial documents to assess your eligibility. Home appraisal. An appraiser will evaluate your home's current market value. Closing. Once approved, you'll sign closing documents and receive the new loan proceeds. It's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or mortgage professional to determine if refinancing is the right decision for your specific circumstances. They can help you evaluate the potential benefits and costs and guide you through the process. By understanding the intricacies of refinancing and making informed decisions, you can potentially unlock significant financial advantages and achieve your long-term goals.